unu aka na social media na-scroll up and down na-eche na ibe niile nọ na social media na ha acha niile bụ nke ọjọọ ya. Ụmụnne m, ụzọ gara nke a na-agwa unu, ụzọ gara ya. Ọ ebe esi ebute ego bụ ife a. Enwerezi ebe ọzọ esi akpata ego. Ọrụ ịbụa na ọrụ ịtọ na-egbuzi ndị mmadụ. Ọrụ ịbụa na ọrụ ịtọ na-agbanwezi ezinụlọ. Di gị na-apụ, ngịwa na-abata, di gị na-apụ. Ụmụ gị ebe ka ị dosiri ha. Ọkwa na nidu ka ị dosiri ụmụ gị. Ọkwa na daycare ka ị dosiri ụmụ gị. Ụmụnne m, afa mba amaka. Ebibi na Maryland specifically. I'm originally from Nigeria. Ana m alụ ọrụ nọọsụ. Ụmụnne m, anụbụrụ m di before oge m nọ n'Europe. Mụ na ya wee gbasaa in 2018 wee bịa America. Ụmụnne m, echekwa m na ife niile nji maka ya wee bịa America na ọ ga na-aga n'ihu. Na ọ ga-adịrị m isi. Amara m nje ebe nke asị m nweta akwụkwọ nka, nje ebe nke ọzọ asị m nweta akwụkwọ nke ọzọ. Nchegide ha, ego m ji n'aka chọọ ịgụ, and ewere m nwanne. Amara m ebe ọsọ m ga-ebido. Arụgo m na co-room, arụgo m na restaurant, emego m housekeeping, na-achọ ife m ga-eme ka m wee yọrọ onwe m aka bifo akpọọ m oge akpọsịrị m ka m bịa bido akwụkwọ nọọsụ. Ụmụnne m, ngwụcha dị akwụkwọ nọọsụ bido oge ọbụla ka m si add weight, oge ọbụla nghọta n'ọrụ late, richaa na njelarụ, isi a na-awa m, asụm a na-ebu m mgbe ụkwụ m. Ụmụnne m, ọ bụrụ mmadụ si m chọba ife nke eme oge m fụrụ onwe m na hospital bed. Oge m fụrụ onwe m na hospital bed ka mma na this plan bịa na-ekwu okwu na ọ dị mkpa, na this financial stability na ọ dị mkpa, na this type of business ga-abụ ịnọdụ ebe ọbụla enyi na-egenerate multiple incomes, na-egenerate legacy. Ụmụnne m, ọ bụrụ ife mmadụ ga-enepụ anya, neba anya n'ime ụzọ galịa.
My name na Hadiza, my fellow Naija. You know say we sabi work hard. Anywhere where we dey work hard, long hours, so they look for multiple shifts. Now us, but we know say body dey tire, body no be wood. So if you dey Nigeria, you know say if I enter this America or I enter Canada or I enter UK, God don settle for it. Then you can't find out say you dey work long hours, so you go do shift, you go look for where you go put pikin. Or even some of us, even when we get children, we no fit put them anywhere. I be wife, I be mother of 5. Oga go comot, me go comot. We go drop children for daycare. Daycare money no be small money. But by the time you come house, you don't tire. Body dey hot. Everybody don't tire. Oga dey go, me I dey go. Children everywhere. You know fit teach children godly manners. You know fit teach them godly ways because you know they there. Television no go teach them. Housekeeper, where would they get for? You no get her for here. Now you be housekeeper. Now you be cleaner. Now you be everything. Now you dey go leave your own house. You no go clean your house. You go clean another person's house. Now you go leave your own house. Go dey take care of another person pikin. And if you get your own certificate from Nigeria, come here. You no fit use even work, or you go do another school or do something else, put on top. And because of all these things, we no fit dey there do family the way where we even want her. And then now where I found myself, I said, what I dey do? I feel live like pass this one. You carry credit card, you max am up. We won't go Nigeria now, so you go do two job, 3 hours, multiple hours before you fit buy ticket, travel. I said no. Option day. Not be say we know smart, we dey smart, we dey work hard. But because na new system, before we know wetin, you enter the same system, you go through the same cycle. You go work, you come back, you go work, you come back. Now the only thing, you no fit travel. If you want travel, myself, you look yourself, say, if I send my people this morning, you better my stay here. But you no fit even see family. You get people, I dey here, my father died, I no fit go Nigeria. Why? Because I no get the money. I no get the money. He pay me, only me cry for house. I cry tire, I clean myself, I cry myself, go work. I they cry for work, they do the work. Why? Because I no get the means. Then I look, say, okay, there had to be a solution. And where I find this online business? 3 years ago, story don't change.
Na so.
Life don't change.
Na so.
If I want go Nigeria today now to book the next available tickets, if it dey available, I go. Why? Because this business, they pay me 5, 6, 7 figures every month why they get. Yes, why they you do this business. If you work out for me, you work for Maka. Wait until you say, my dear Nigerian, my dear Nigerian brother, my dear Nigerian sister, where you know go fit to. The only way, no put skepticism apart. But they scroll social media up and down, say, oh, this thing na scam, this thing not be true. If na scam, how you want to say na scam if you never try it? How your bank account they tell you different. So if you not fit carry out money, do what if you do, then you not say yes, solution there elsewhere, and that the solution be this. No look and pass, so not just that's option what if you do with waiting you need. You don't need today technology savvy at all.
Coach, I get mentor. I get step-by-step training. I will like-minded community people. Get yelling as one. I check grow. Click on the lemon button.
Now register your name, your email, and we will see you on the inside.